everyone. I'm Kishmala again, and welcome to the third video on the video series of Model2Go. In this video, we are going to talk about Model2Go Demand, which is a new product of PTV in collaboration with TomTom. Until now, in the Model2Go supply models, we did not have the travel demand side of the model. But now, with the data that we are getting from TomTom, we can power our models with the travel demand, and we can also explore a variety of new use cases that emerge with this option. So let's just get right into it. This is the model which I have created for the region of Atlanta. And you can see on the screen that it has the zones and the links of the models are currently activated. So what we can do now is that we have the Model2Go supply side of the model. We have the zones, we have the links, we have all of the supply components. We need the demand to complete our transport modeling, right? So for that, we have launched this Model2Go demand, and this model is powered by TomTom's reliable and scalable data. For depending on the geographical region, the sample size differs from about 10 to 30%. And to get this OD demand data, we need to go to the TomTom Move Portal. Now I will shift to the TomTom Move Portal to show you what are the options there and what we can choose from over there. You can already see that these are the regions, which are the zones which are coming out from the Model2Go supply, and these are uploaded on this Move Portal. On the left-hand side, we can also see that we have some options that we can choose from. There are these dates, and inside the dates, we can specify for which dates we want this travel demand data to be. So in this case, in this example, I'm choosing the representative days, which are normally Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. And then we can also specify which time of the day we want the data to be. If we are only creating a demand model for a peak period, then we can specify it 7 to 9 based on the morning peak or evening peak. But in this example, I have specified it for the whole day. And then after I have done these specifications, I can upload my zones or regions. After I have uploaded these regions, I just click on the create report, and it gives me an output in Excel, which is basically OD metrics for between the zones. And this OD metrics is then read inside the WISM version again. And boom, now we have a model with the supply and the demand side. To see what are the use cases that can be served with this new Model2Go demand, please check out the next video. Thank you.